Hi everyone, and welcome back to the La Boom podcast. I'm Jessica, your host, your coach, and maybe your new best friend in this English journey. Today's topic is something I truly believe can change the way you learn English. It's called Stop Overthinking, Start Executing. Big words, I know. But don't worry, I'll explain everything in a simple and clear way. So take a deep breath. Let's begin. Have you ever sat down to speak English and you just freeze? You know what you want to say, but your brain keeps spinning. You start thinking, is this grammar right? What if I say the wrong word? What if they laugh at me? That's overthinking. Too many thoughts. Not enough action. And that's the problem. You want to speak English, but you're stuck in your head. Now, let's talk about what most people do when they start learning English. First, they try to be perfect. They don't want to speak until they're 100% sure it's right. They try to remember every grammar rule, every vocabulary word, every pronunciation tip. They think and think and think, but never speak. Second, they study a lot, but practice very little. They watch videos, read books, take notes, but never use the English in real life. And third, they worry too much about what other people will think. Will they laugh at my accent? What if they don't understand me? This is the overthinking trap. And the longer you stay in it, the harder it becomes to take action. Let's be honest, what happens if we don't fix this? You study for months, even years, but you're still scared to speak. You avoid conversations. You miss job opportunities. You feel frustrated, and sometimes, you feel like giving up. And that's the sad part. Because you already know so much. But fear and overthinking are blocking your progress. So let's fix that today. The real problem isn't your English level. It's the way you think. You want everything to be perfect. You're afraid of mistakes. You compare yourself to others. You think too much and speak too little. And this kind of thinking stops your progress. It makes learning slow. It steals your confidence. It kills your motivation. But I have good news. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Now let's get to the best part, the solution. Let me tell you a short story. There was a woman named Amira. She was from Egypt and had been learning English for 3 years. She had notebooks full of vocabulary, grammar charts, and beautiful handwriting. But she couldn't speak. Why? Because she was afraid. She kept thinking, what if I make a mistake? What if people laugh? What if I don't understand them? One day, she met an English teacher who said, Amira, you don't need another book. You need to speak. So, she tried something new. She gave herself one small task every day. Day 1, say hello to a stranger in English. Day 2, order coffee in English. Day 3, record herself saying 3 sentences. And guess what? She felt nervous. She made mistakes. But she also smiled more. She laughed at her own mistakes. And after 1 month, she could introduce herself with confidence. She could ask for help in a store. She even made new friends. Why? Because she stopped overthinking and started executing. She didn't wait to feel ready. She acted, and that action built her confidence. Now, let me tell you how this podcast is going to help you. I'm not here to give you boring lectures or long grammar lessons. I'm here to guide you, encourage you, and give you real-life speaking tools. In every episode, I give you simple phrases, real stories, clear practice, and exercises you can try at home. And the best part? You can listen anywhere, while walking, cooking, or traveling. This is your English gym, and I'm your coach. So don't just listen. Practice with me. Talk with me. Even if I can't hear you, I promise it works. Let's quickly review what we talked about today. The problem is overthinking, too much fear, not enough action. Most people wait for the perfect time or the perfect sentence. If you don't fix this, you'll stay silent and lose confidence. The real issue isn't your grammar. It's your mindset. The solution is to take small steps every day. Speak now, correct later. This podcast is your safe space to grow, learn, and practice. Before we end, I want to leave you with this. You don't have to be perfect. You don't need to speak fast. You just need to start. Say one sentence today, out loud. Look in the mirror and say, I am learning. I am improving. I can do this. Because you can. And tomorrow, say 2 sentences. Then 5. Then a whole conversation. You are not behind. You are not too slow. You're just getting started, and I'm so proud of you. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. If you enjoyed this episode, please share it with someone who needs this message. Follow the podcast so you don't miss the next one. And until next time, stop overthinking, start speaking, start living your English. If you liked the video, so don't forget to subscribe, like, comment,